Sorry. CrossFit.
Yeah, CrossFit.
I like CrossFit. Can I clean a little bit here?
You
Like,
can up the workout, man. Just wait for 4 minutes.
I'll be like careful, very careful.
Bro, please. We're working out.
Sorry.
We're working out. Just a line over here. You can just wait for us there. We are working out.
But
Here's what you do, but I mean, we're halfway of the workout.
I like cross.
It's dangerous. If he throws the ball and hit you.
On my head. Just here, like I don't.
We're just working out. If you can just please, I'm gonna take a sec, but just come
Sorry.
over here, please. This line over here. This line here, it's okay. This line here, it's not okay.
I just would.
Understood?
I just like CrossFit, guys.
Yes, it's good, but we cannot let
What's happened? That's what I said. I like CrossFit as well, guys.
Just take this.
go this slow as shit.
Oh my god. Maybe I will try something here.
Try well. Pick it up.
Try this one or.
Hey, listen, this
Nah, bro.
is heavy.
Nah,
So
nah.
yeah, you can get damaged. So
I will be fast, like.
man,
I will be like.
I'm wearing a belt.
No. You can wear. It's fine. I wear in this well a belt somewhere here. I will put it my belt. We'll just try it, guys. Like.
Okay, but
Like.
The money, the pressure be calling.
Oh,
Left on my black
I like CrossFit. That's what I said.
back. Tell me I'm
I'm a CrossFitter.
I ain't calling. Phone and progression is
It's my favorite from the CrossFit.
Because I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on
What?
problems. I solve them. I run through the pressure be calling.
Part of the team now, okay?
Is it also like deadlift? Like. I like deadlift. Please squatting.
I mean,
Please. Helicopter squatting.
what is that?
Like this. Helicopter, helicopter. Helicopter, helicopter. This is my favorite helicopter squatting. Wait. I'm sorry. What I need to do, guys? What I need to do? I don't know. Oh, I'm just joking. Can I try as well like pull-ups in or? Pull-ups in. I'm sorry guys for the bothering, like.
Honestly, very good.
Thank you.
Very good.
I am Anatoly CrossFitter guy.